Okay, so today we are doing geometry, area and circumference of a circle. We have 3 questions and 1 extension. So the first question is, what are the parts of a circle? So if we look right here, we see this little red circle is the center of the circle, and then going to the outer side, this is the radius. And then if we look at this entire line that goes from one side to the other, that is the diameter. And this right here is pointing to the outer part of the circle, so going all around the circle, this is the circumference. And for this one, we do have a formula. Our circumference equals 2 pi r. We know r is our radius, and then right here, this is pointing to the inside of the circle. So if we shade this whole region, the inside of the circle is the area. And our formula for area is pi r squared. So those are the 4 main things that you need for our lesson today. So here's our first question. This is the example. Solve using the formulas, area and circumference. So right here, it goes from the center to the outer side, then that means this is the radius, right? So radius, abbreviated is R, is 4 inches. And remember, our formula for area is pi r squared. So we plug in r, 4 inches, and then we get 16 pi inches squared, or this is approximately 50.27 inches squared, because we know pi, known as 3.14, and then it goes on forever. And the next part, circumference. Circumference equals 2 pi r. So we plug it in, 2 pi, our radius is 4 inches, and we get 8 pi inches, also known as 25.13 inches if we plug it into our calculator. So here's one answer, and there's our area. Okay, so now you guys are gonna try solve using the formulas as we just did for area and circumference. So this time we have it going from one side all the way to the other, so that means 14 centimeters is not our radius, but our diameter. And our diameter is double our radius, right? So in order to find our radius, we can just do 14 centimeters divided by 2, which gives us 7 centimeters. And now if we plug that back into our equations, we have area equals pi r squared equals pi 7 squared. I forgot the centimeters. It's okay. We'll put it right now. So 49 pi centimeters squared. Also, if we were to plug that pi into our calculator, then we would get 153.9 centimeters squared for our area. So these two. And then now doing our circumference equals 2 pi r. We're going to plug in 7 centimeters again. So we get 14 pi centimeters. And if we plug it into our calculator, then it would give us 43.98 centimeters. So there's our area and our circumference. And our extension. How can we use area or circumference to solve? The question, it's a word problem, so a rug has a diameter of 12.6 feet. How much space does the rug take up on the floor? So think about what area stands for, what circumference stands for, the formulas, what you're given, and try and draw a picture and try to solve this problem, and we'll talk about it in class tomorrow.